Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your next build. Let's dive in. The ASUS Prime B550M-A is priced at $119, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to build a capable system without breaking the bank. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes in at $219, reflecting its premium features and support for the latest technologies. While the B550M-A offers great value, the B650 AORUS Elite AX justifies its higher price with advanced capabilities. In terms of performance, the ASUS Prime B550M-A supports PCIe 4.0 and is well suited for AMD Ryzen 3rd General CPUs, providing solid performance for most users. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX takes it a step further, with PCIe 5.0 support and compatibility with the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, making it ideal for high-end gaming and demanding applications. This difference in performance capabilities is crucial for users looking to future-proof their builds. Both motherboards come with a variety of features, but they cater to different needs. The ASUS Prime B550M-A includes Wi-Fi 6 and ECC memory support, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers advanced features like DDR5 support, enhanced cooling solutions, and a robust power delivery system, which are essential for high-performance builds. Depending on your requirements, one may stand out more than the other. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550M-A and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX have their strengths and weaknesses. The B550M-A is perfect for budget builds, while the B650 AORUS Elite AX is designed for users seeking the latest technology and performance. Make sure to consider your needs and budget when making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.